Hi guys, I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to go over some of my favorite products from Sephora because Sephora is having their Rue sale, their Beauty Insider sale, and it runs from October 28th to November 1st. And I want to demo the products that work for my 59-year-old skin, and I think that they will also work for your 50 and over skin. They are glam, but I love glam. So let's get started. Pat McGrath essence. This is my favorite essence. I already used this before putting on the Pat McGrath primer, which is what I'm putting on right now. And this primer is it's lovely on the skin. It's mattifying yet hydrating and blurring, and it really did blur my pores and it helped my makeup last all day. And this is the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer. This has some color to it, which is really good for using a nice eyeshadow palette, and it really had some staying power for my eyeshadow. This is the Pat McGrath Mothership #1 Subliminal Eyeshadow Palette. This story is just beautiful, and the colors are vibrant yet quiet enough for a mature eye. And I just love playing with this eyeshadow palette because of all the different colors. And most of them are matte, but I love that deep blue color and the brown. The blue and the brown really go nicely together. And this is an eyeshadow palette that you could probably play around with for the next 2 years and just use all the different colors. That's the lighter color that I use as a highlighter under my eyebrow. That's the dark, almost black, but it's a dark brown, and I use that as an eyeliner, and I use it dry as an eyeliner, but wet as a second coat to the eyeliner, which you will see in a couple of seconds. And I'm also using it on my bottom eyeliner just to give a smoky look. And here I'm using the MAC setting spray. And again, this is the second coat that I was saying, and this kind of gives it the staying power that it needs. And this is the Danessa Myricks Infinite Chrome Flakes. This gives your eyeshadow some bam and glam. And these are flakes, so they can get all over the place if you don't use them in a controlled manner, but it is in a gel formula, so as long as you're controlled with it, it goes on beautifully. It just gives you that wet look on your eyeshadow. And this is that vibrant blue that I was telling you about. That vibrant blue is just beautiful, and I'm using that in the wet line on my lashes just to bring out some blue in my eyes, which I really do like. So I like using the blue separate from the black. And this is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist that I put on over the primer before putting on my foundation. And this is the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer that I put on and I leave on because I don't rub that, or I don't blend that right in. I wait a little bit. I wait, about a minute or two before I blend in my concealer. And meanwhile, and in this case, I'm mixing my LYS Foundation Triple Fix Serum with my Kate Somerville Delicate Recovery Cream, because I'm mixing my foundation with my moisturizing creams because I like a light to medium coverage. And as I'm blending that with the Shiseido Diafude Face Brush Duo, then I go in and I will blend in my concealer with the BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy Concealer Brush. And now this is the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara, which is a tubular mascara that I love. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter I'm using as a highlighter because it's a nice lit from within highlighter. And the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Powder, which I was really lucky to get, and I'm using that with a big Mary Kay brush, I think that is, and it has a really nice smell to it, as you can see. Her stuff is fragranced with kind of a cookie fragrance, and this is the Tom Ford Traceless Foundation Stick. that I cover up my skin hyperpigmentation with. The Gucci Luminous Matte Beauty Blush, Rosy Brown. This is a beautiful color. It's a natural matte color, but you know, with it being Gucci, it is higher end, but it's so smoothing. You can tell the pressed powder is so finely milled and so smoothing. And this color is kind of a flushy rosy color, which I love. And of course, you know me, I'm going to put it on my nose, my cheeks. I am a blush girl. I love the blush. Put it all over. I just love it. But it blends nicely. And the Rare Beauty Kind Words lip liner. This is in Wise. This is really pretty mauvey color. It has also really nice staying power, but I just love the Rare Beauty products. They're gorgeous. Doing a little overline with my lips, of course, too. And then the Rare Beauty Kind Words Matte Lipstick. This is in Humble, very pretty. And then I top it with the Fenty Beauty Gloss in Chocolate. So yeah, that's the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in Chocolate, which is really pretty. So this is the final look. I really love all the products that I used. I'm going to link everything below. And for all you 50 and over gals, just remember, you can do full glam. We can get away with it still. And it's fun. Makeup is fun. So bring out that younger beauty in you. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Please comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. And let's encourage each other to be beautiful on the inside and the outside. Love you. 4, 3, 2.
So, bye.